Hey kids, I have one more number activity today. This is number 3. We are going to trace the number 3, color the objects and count them, and then we will do an activity. We are going to use blue and pink today. Let's get started. Which number is this? This is number 3. Let us trace the number 3. Curve and curve. We have number 3. Let's trace it again. Curve and curve. Number 3. Yes. Now let us color the pencils. How many pencils do you see? 1, 2, 3. 3 pencils. Let us color the pencils with blue color. Let's use pink now. How many pencils do you see? 1, 2, 3. Like the number 3. Let us do the activity. Now let us find the number 3 in this rectangle. It has so many numbers. Is this number 3? No, this is number 1. Is this number 3? No, this is number 9. Is this number 3? Yes. Now let us circle the number 3. Yes. Now, is this number 3? No, this is 2. Is this number 3? Yes. Let's circle it. Is this number 3? No, this is 4. Then we have 2. Is this number 3? No, this is number 8. Is this number 3? No, this is 9. Is this number 3? No, this is number 2. Yes, now you can see number 3. Let us circle it. Next, which number is there? This is number 7. Now next to number 7, which number is this? This is number 3 again. Let us circle it. There you go. We have found number 3. Number 3. How many pencils? 1, 2, 3. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Goodbye. See you later.